Hey everyone, it's Bella from mergeyourdata.com, and today I'm going to be talking about data dictionaries. So, what is a data dictionary? A data dictionary can also be called a data catalog, and it's essentially a collection of field definitions used in the data source. This can state the field attributes or information about the metadata, such as the data type or the size of the field. So, why are data dictionaries helpful? Data dictionaries can help create a universal understanding of the data by creating universally used definitions of the data. This can aid in consistency when multiple people or teams or departments are working with a certain data set. It can also help standardize large amounts of data, which can reduce the risk of inconsistencies, errors, and data misinterpretation. Data dictionaries are also a good resource to come back to when looking at a data set and doing analysis. Let's take a look at an example of a data dictionary. So here I have a spreadsheet of some mock data, and you can see we have a few different columns. We have ID, name, email, zip. There's I think about 1,000 rows in here, so there's lots of different data points. And I created a new sheet called Data Dictionary. And this is an example data dictionary that I created for this mock data. So here I have the field slash display name, and these are just the column names from the mock data sheet. And then I have a description. So this is just a short one sentence description of what the data means. So for example, ID is the unique ID associated with each customer. I also have the data type and then the field length and whether or not the data or the field is required. So this may seem pretty intuitive, but what's helpful is if someone didn't have a data dictionary and they were looking at here, we have ID that might be self-explanatory, name and email might be self-explanatory, but zip, we might not know, someone just looking at this data set might not know what that means. So they can come to the data dictionary and see that zip is the zip code or postal code associated with each customer. And then they can see the data type, the field length, and they can also see that this is not required because we have some missing values in this column. Data dictionaries are also pretty customizable, so sometimes I'll add another column called notes, and I can write some notes about that data field that I want people to know if they're looking at the data dictionary. And you can also add as many field display names as columns that you have in your raw data.